How's it going, YouTubers? It is me, System Sensor 250, and welcome back to another brand new video. And guys, today's video, we're going to be doing something different today. And guys, we're going to be doing some fire alarms. So we're not going to doing some testing, but what we're going to do is we're going to do a fire alarm hunting. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Before we get right into today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just contact me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. And guys, it is almost Christmas, so guys, stay tuned for that. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go ahead and get ready into today's video. And guys, let's get started, the fire alarm hunting. Alright, so the plan we're going to do is we're going to start off with the duct detectors. The second one is going to be a smoke detector. The third one's going to be the pull station. And the last one is going to be the fire alarms. So anyways guys, so let's start off with the first thing we need to do. Alright, so here we go guys, enjoy. So, yeah. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, the one you're showing right now, it is the Notifier NFW-50. It's the fire alarm control panel. Here's the Starlink. Let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what it looks like. Key in. Here's the inside what it looks like. All these controls. Good. And this one's rubbery. Nice. Okay, now I just done some research on that one, so let me go and get the piece of paper out. Alright, let's go ahead and get right on to the duct detector. Alright. Alright guys, here we go. So we have a Notifier ND-100. Yep. Same thing on the other side. Alright. That's the first closet right there. Now we're heading to the second one. Doesn't matter, everything's the same. Here it is. Here's another one. Another one, Notifier MD-100. There are a bunch of notifiers. So we're gonna head down to the attic. So let's head down to the attic real quick. Before we get right into the attic, we're going to start off with the lower lot only. And then after that, we will go ahead and do the upper, which is going to be straight up to the attic. So that's a duct detectors of the smoke alarm. Duct detectors. So right now we're going to do is we're going to do a smoke detector. So yeah, we're going to do duct detector, smoke detector, pull stations, and fire alarms. Okay guys, this is what most people have been used with, and I actually just researched that one. So here it is. So here is the System Sensor 2D51 smoke detector. 2D51. Here it is. It's 360. Nice. Alright.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how's it going? Okay. Alright, where is the other smoke detector? Well, I think it's just the only one. I recognized it. Yep, I think it's just the one. Yep. There you go. It's just the one. There's only one smoke detector. Yep, there's one. Just one only. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get right on to the pull stations. Alright, so most people requested of using one of these pull stations. So that is the Notifier BG-12. So here it is, yep, Notifier BG-12. Now let's head down to the another Notifier, another pull stations. Here's another one, Notifier BG-12. Alright, let me put my phone down real quick. Okay, here it is. Hello. So here's another Notifier BG-12. Yes, I'm pointing my cam down because I'm going to get out of the way. And here's another, and here's the last one, Notifier BG-12. Now, let's get to the horn strobes and strobes only. Alright, we're going to start off with the strobes first. So we have the Gentex GESE Commander 3 strobe only, and it's everywhere. Now here's the fire alarm. Gentex GEC3 Commander 3 horn strobe, and it's everywhere. Okay, guys. Now here's the special. Here's the special. It's a surprise. Alright, yes, do you know what that means? We are going straight to the attic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my phone down and I'm going to turn the camera off. As soon as I get the ladder down, I'll resume the video. I'm going to do some magic. And there we go. I just done the magic. Alright, so the ladder is down, so we can go ahead and start heading up to the attic. Okay, now we're in the attic. This is just a halfway. So here's another ND100 duct detector. Convinced. Now, you see that door right there? That's the attic. We're going in. Here we go. Just letting you know it's gonna be cold. Ow. Alright, guys. Here's the truth. Here's the Gentex GEC3 Commander 3, known as the Commander 3, and I can see it. And it's on 15 candela. And goes all the way down to the other side. Oh gosh, it's cold. Phew. As soon as we get to the lower lot, it'll be a lot warmer. Alright, here we go. Alright. Okay. Here's another one, a Notifier ND100. Oh, there's an instruction manual. There's another one. Notifier ND-100. Yep, there you go. I'll probably have to take that one down with me. So we don't only need it's just the one. This is just for the extra one. Yeah, guys. I'm not sure what that is, but I'll figure it out. Oh, I didn't notice that. Oh, here it is. Okay. Alright, that makes more sense now. So what we have is the Notifier NC-100R relay. Nice. I'll probably keep it down. So yeah, there you go. So we have the Notifier NC-100R fire alarm relay. Yeah, that is awesome. Now I know about the relays now. Alright guys, so right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. So let me go head down to the head back downstairs. So I'm gonna do the yeah. Alright guys, that's it for the today's video. Let me go head down. So I'm gonna do some magic. Well, anyways, I'm back downstairs again. Back on the first floor. So, yeah guys. Thank you so much. And we're back downstairs again. Anyways guys, let's head back down. Let's wrap. Well guys, what do you think of the fire alarm hunting so far? Let me know in the comments. I'm super excited, so guys, make sure you guys stay tuned for some more videos. Amazing. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Before we end up with today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just contact me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. And guys, please don't forget to check out my latest videos on my homepage as well too. And guys, please don't forget to check out the Greenville updates. Greenville just keep releasing new updates. If you guys want to check out the Greenville updates, go to Discord and join Greenville. So anyways guys, that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will catch you guys back later in the next video. Peace.